Welcome to Mother-Daughter Projects. I'm Steph. Today we're going to make a wood display box for postcards. This uses a simple magnet to hold the postcard of choice in place, and the top opens to store extra postcards. This is a great way of storing treasured postcards from family and friends and swapping out a postcard to display whenever you want. I started by looking through our scrap wood and collected all the half-inch plywood I could find. I realized during the design of this project that postcards come in all different sizes and orientations. So I looked through my postcards and found the biggest one and based the dimensions of this on that. The front display part of this box is going to be 7 by 7 inches. I cut it down to size and then double checked that all the postcards would fit. It can be a little challenging to cut smaller pieces of wood, and there are multiple tools that you can use to do this. One of them is the Dremel blueprint, which we've shared in previous projects. Another is the miter saw. You could also use a handsaw in a miter box or a table saw. This really depends on the tools you have available to you. This is my cut list, but you can base this on whatever size postcards you have. Here I'm eyeballing where to put the magnet. I marked it and then use a Forstner bit on our portable drill press to make a 1/4 inch circle to recess the magnet. You can easily use a drill for this, but I wanted to make sure the circle was nice and flat. To hold the front magnet, I'm going to cut the pointy end off of a push pin and glue on the magnet. I cut most of it off, but there was still a little left, so I used our rotary tool to sand that down and made it flat. Then I sanded all the wood parts. Next, I glued the wood together. I left this to dry overnight. I wanted to add one more magnet to add the top to the body of the box. I used painter's tape as a guide to know where to drill my hole. Then I marked where I was going to place the magnets on the top and side. I drilled in the same way as I did with the front and did the same on the top. I used contact adhesive to glue the earth magnet in place. I continued this process for each magnet, making sure I got the correct poles together. I like the look of the plywood, so I added a clear poly to seal the wood, but this could easily be painted or stained to give it a different look. And here it is, all done. It came out exactly as I planned. The magnetic push pin works flawlessly to hold any postcard in place, and the top is lightly held in place for easy access to stored postcards. This could be a great gift for someone or a simple project to share your postcard collection. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more projects from us, be sure to visit us at motherdaughterprojects.com. And if you found value in this video, give it a big thumbs up and make sure to subscribe right here on YouTube.